All right, welcome back to my class. In today's class, let's solve this math Olympiad question and solve the value of what x. Kindly stay to the end of this video and kindly subscribe to get more of this content. Now, how do we solve this question? Let's do it together. The first thing I'll do is this solution. This 2, a to the power of x plus a to the power of x again is equals to what? 80. So my first step is to add these two together because they look alike. So I'll be having 2 of it, 2 bracket a to the power of x is equals to what? 80. So the next step is to divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. See that now? This will take care of this. And 2 here 1, 2 here is what? 40. So I've reduced the whole of this to a to the power of x now. Is equals to what? 40. Now the next step is to take what? Log of both sides because I can't break this to the same base. So I'll be having the logarithm of a to the base power x is equals to log 40. Now this can actually come to the back here. I'll now be having x log 8 is equals to what? Log what? 40. The next step is what? Divide both sides by what? Log 8 and log 8. Now let's come to this side. This will take care of this actually. I'll now be having that x is equals to what? Log 40 over log 8. You see that now? And this is actually equal to log, because I have 8 here, I'll be having 5 times 8, bracket 5 times 8, all over log 8. Now, I have this here. This can be expressed in logarithm as this. If I have log m dot n, this is equal to log m plus log n. So I want to apply it here now. So I'll be having that x is equals to what? This one addition, log 8 plus log 5 all over log 8. Simple, right? I will not distribute it outward. That is, this thing you're seeing here is x is equals to what? Log 8 over log 8 and plus, this is now what now? Log 5 over log 8. LCM ideology. So this is now 1. So my x is now equals to what? 1 plus log 5 over log 8. I can actually, what is this actually? I can still change the base. I'll change the base. I will now be having that x is equals to 1 plus log 5 to base 8. So this is the value of x for this logarithmic what? Equation. Let's check if it's actually what? Correct. Or let's check it. Let's check if the value of x is correct. Let's check. Let's check and find out if it's actually correct. So checking or verifying. Checking. We have this a to the power of what? What is x? This is x. So we have it as what? In brackets 1 plus log 5 to base 8, close the brackets, and plus a to the power of what? Bracket what? 1 plus log 5 to base 8, close the bracket, is equals to what? 80. So let's see if it actually what? Equals to what? 80. This is initial form. That is to say, if I have a to the power of what? M plus n, this is equals to what? A to the power of what? M dot a to the power of what? N. So I'll apply it here and here. However, I can now say this is now what? Now a to the power of what? 1 times a to the power of what? Log 5 to base 8. As you can see that. Then plus a to the power of 1 again. Dot a to the power of what? Log 5 to base 8, is it equal to 80? Let's check. Now, this is not looking so simple. There's one law you should know in logarithm. That law is very important. If I have a to the power, a to the power, the logarithm of a to base what? Let me say n. As far as this particular base and the number are the same thing, the answer is what? A. So let's apply this law here now to this one and to this one here. So we're having 8, which is 1, multiplied by, this is now what now? 5. You see that now? 8 and 8 and it's 5. It's 5 plus 8 again times what? 5 is equals to 80. We'll know very soon. So here we have what now? 40 plus what? 40. You see that now? What do we get? 80. So the value of what? S is actually what? Correct. So we have 80 is equals to what? 80. So the value of S equals to what? 1 plus log 5 to base 8 is actually what? Correct. Can you what like? Drop a comment and subscribe to get more of this content. Understand, so you can get more of this content. Bye bye.